The knobcone pine. Pinus attenuata. The knobcone pine is an evergreen coniferous species of tree that will grow to mature heights of 80 feet tall or little more than a shrub where found growing on very poor sites. Its bark is colored purple-brown to dark brown, shallowly and narrowly fissured, with irregular, flat, loose scaly plates. On upper sections of trunk, bark is nearly smooth. The yellow-green foliage is needle-like and come in fascicles of 3, and are typically 3 to 6 inches long. The cones are resin-sealed and irregularly shaped, 3 to 6 inches long and clustered in whorls of 3 to 6 on the branches. The scales end in a short stout prickle. Cones can sometimes be found attached to the trunk and larger branches, a distinctive feature of the knobcone pine. The knobcone pine can be found growing in the dry, rocky soils of southern Oregon and northern California, between 980 and 2,460 feet above sea level. It forms nearly pure stands, preferring to grow where there is no competition. On the coast, the knobcone pine may hybridize with bishop pine, Pinus muricata, and Monterey pine, Pinus radiata. In the western foothills of the Sierra Nevada, the knobcone pine is often a codominant with blue oak, Quercus douglasii. The species is susceptible to fire, but this melts the cone resin, releasing seeds for regrowth, which means it's completely dependent on fire for reproduction. The species seems to be shade intolerant. How to grow knobcone pine. If you do find a specimen of knobcone pine, collect the closed, brown resinous cones, and heat it with a lighter or hold it over a gas stove for a few minutes, and it will open and release the small, black pine seeds. Then, soak the seeds in water for 36 hours, and then sow the seeds in a pot with soil. The seeds will take 1 to 2 weeks to germinate. Keep the seedlings in full sun. The seedlings are trouble-free and grow quickly. Make sure you plant them in the ground or a larger pot soon, because knobcone pines develop a deep root system. Where to grow knobcone pine? The tree is very drought and heat tolerant, and grows best in a Mediterranean climate with cool, wet winters. Knobcone pine grows best in USDA zones 7 and 8, and Sunset Garden zones 1 to 10, and 14 to 21. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.